Okay, we are going to be looking at indices involving equations here. We call it indica equations. So this one involves an equation. We are looking for an unknown. Going to this question here, number one, you can see the questions here. So let's start with number one question. Number one, we have 27 raised to the power of x minus 2. So 27 in index form is 3 raised to the power of 3. That is 3 raised to the power of 3 bracket x minus 2 is already here. Is equal to 729 in index form is 3 raised to the power of 6. 3 raised to the power of 6. The bases are the same. We equate the power. The power here is 3 bracket x minus 2 is equal to 6. Let's open the bracket. 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 6. You collect like terms. 3x is equal to 6. When minus 6 comes here is plus 6. 3x is equal to 6 plus 6 is 12. Divide both sides by 3. So our x is equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. As easy as that. Number 2. We have 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 27 raised to the power of x. So 3 is in the simplest form. 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 over, what is 3? 27 in index form. 3 raised to the power of 3. So we have 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 times x is 3x. But we can't equate the power. We have to take this up using the negative index law. 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of minus 3x. We equate the power now. So we have 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 3x. You can see we have 3 as the base on the left hand side. We have 3 as the base at the right hand side. So we equate the power. So let's collect like terms. 2x, when minus x comes here is plus 3x is equal to, when minus 1 comes here is plus 1. 2x plus 3x is 5x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 5. So our x is 1 over 5. Let's go to number 3 question. Let me try to clean these two so I will have enough space to solve. So let's go to number 3 question. So we have 5 raised to the power of x minus 3 all over. What is 125 in index form? 5 raised to the power of 3. That is 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So I have 5 raised to the power of 3 bracket 3x minus 4 is equal to 1. So let's try to open this bracket. 5 raised to the power of x minus 3 all over 5 raised to the power of 3 times 3 is 9x minus 3 times 4, 12 is equal to 1. So let's apply division law. Let's take this up. So we have 5 raised to the power of x minus 3 minus bracket 9x minus 12 is equal to 1. So let's open the bracket. 5 raised to the power of x minus 3 minus 9x minus times minus is plus 12 is equal to 1. Let's collect like terms. X minus 9x should give us minus 8x. Minus 3 plus 12 should give us plus 9. Should give us plus 9 is equal to 1. So what law are we going to apply here? Remember that the base must be the same, and whatever you put here should give you 1. In one of our law, we talked about the power law. That is the zero power law. So this is 5 raised to the power of 0, because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. And the reason why I use 5 so that we can have something that has the same base both on the left and right hand side. So let's equate the power. Minus 8x plus 9 is equal to 0. Let's take plus 9 this side, which is minus 9 now. Dividing both sides by minus 8. So our x is 9 over 8. So when you are solving and you have something like 1, after solving one particular part, make sure that you raise it to the power of the base. The base raised to the power of 0. The base, if 2 was here, it will be 2 raised to the power of 0. Let's go to the number 4. So let's go right to number 4 question here. We have number 4 here. We have if brackets 4 over 3 raised to the power of n plus 2 is equals to 9 over 16. So this is already in its simplest form. So we have, let's check what we can do. I think, okay, let's check what we can do here. We have 4 over 3 raised to the power of n plus 2 is equal to, what is 9 in index form, which is 3 raised to the power of 2. In this scenario, we are considering we have 4 and 3. So this should be, since we have 3 square here, this should be 4 square instead of 2 raised to the power of 4. Are you seeing what is happening? So we have 4 square. So that this power can be in unity. And this is the same thing as 4 over 3 bracket m plus 2 is equals to 3 over 4 bracket raised to the power of 2. They have the same power. I just brought out the power out. I factored out the power 2. But there's a problem here. We have 4 here, but we have 3. In one of our law, I can't remember the law, when I say something about y over x minus a is the same thing as x over y raised to the power of a. So for us to make this to be the same with the left hand side, look at what we are going to do. We have bracket 4 over 3 bracket m plus 2 is equals to, when I interchange this, 4 will go up, 3 will come down. I will multiply this power by negative. So this is minus 2. That is what this law is talking about. Now when you want to make something to have the same position, what do? Once it's a fraction, you interchange and put negative there. That is what this law is talking about. So we have 4 over 3 here, we have 4 over 3 here. The bases are the same. Let's equate the power. M plus 2 is equals to minus 2. M is equals to minus 2. When plus 2 comes here is minus 2. Our M is minus 4. So you have to have a knowledge of this law in order to be able to solve this kind of equation that involve fraction, where the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. Number 5. Let's go to number 5. So we have number 5 here. 16 times, what is 16 in index form? 2 raised to the power of 4. Times, what is 8 in index form? 2 raised to the power of 3. Times x, that is 2 raised to the power of 3x, is equal to, what is 32 in index form? 2 raised to the power of 5. Times, this is 4. What is 4 in index form? 2 raised to the power of 2. Brackets, we have 2x minus 1 here. So let's apply the law of indices on the left hand side. 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 3x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 raised to the power, let's open the brackets. 2 times 2x is 4x minus 2. 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 3x is equal to 2 raised to the power of, let's apply the law here, 5 plus 4s minus 2. The bases are the same. Let's equate the power on the left and right hand side. 4 plus 3s is equals to 5 plus 4s minus 2. Okay, let's collect like terms. Let me bring the x to this left hand side. I have 3x. When 4x comes here, minus 4x equal to 5 is already here, minus 2 is already at the right hand side. When plus 4 comes here is minus 4. 3x minus 4x is minus x is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So we'll cancel this minus. So our x is 1. As easy as that. So we'll go to the last question in this indica equation here. We'll go to the last question now. Number 6. We have 36 times bracket 1 over 6 raised to the power of n is equal to 6 times 216 raised to the power of n minus 1. N minus 1. So going by this, what is 36 in index form? 6 raised to the power of 2 times applying the negative index law. The power here is 1. Let's take this up. This is 6 raised to the power of minus 1 bracket n is equal to 6 times 216 in index form is 6 raised to the power of 3. 6 raised to the power of 3 bracket n minus 1. 6 raised to the power of 2 times 6 raised to the power of minus 1 times n is minus n is equal to 6 times 6 raised to the power of 3 times n is 3n minus 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Applying the law on the left hand side, which is to add the power. 6 to the power of 2 plus bracket minus n is equal to, the power here is invisible 1. Take note of that. 1 plus 3n minus 3. Since the bases are the same, let's equate the power. The power on the left hand side is 2 plus, plus times minus is minus n is equal to 1 plus 3n minus 3. Let's collect like term. Let's take the unknown to the left hand side. I have minus n here. When plus 3n comes here is minus 3n is equal to 1 is still at the right hand side. Minus 3 is still at the right hand side. But when plus 2 comes here is minus 2. Minus n minus 3n is minus 4n is equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. So let's divide both sides by minus 4 over minus 4. Minus 4 is in front of n over minus 4. So our n, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, and we are done with the question. So if you are still having issue, go to the laws. The first video I did under the laws of indices. Study it. I explained very well what the law is all about, the 7 laws, and how to apply it in solving our question. So see you in the next topic. Thank you.